So we have our new products here. So on the one hand, we have the new collaboration between Zhiyun and CAM MACKEY. He really loved our pocket lights, like the X100, but it was always just bicolor. And he came up to us and said he wanted to do an X100 with RGB and some separate attachments, like the new softbox with a quick release system, and also, which I like the most, is our new spotlight mount. It's really tiny. It has some gobos here and also some blades to shape the light, and you can focus here. And also a Fresnel with magnetic attached barn doors. And this Fresnel is not to focus the light, it's more to boost the light even more. So you can get more output even though it's just 100 watt. And the classic CAM MACKEY color scheme, so the green and the leather on the back. And it comes with this bag. This bag has some Velcro here, so you can mount everything. And he likes it dusty and old, so that's why it gets some nice patina when you scratch it up. And the other two lights are these. So similar to our existing M20C, we have these magnetic attachments, which you can remove, the barn doors, the honeycomb grid, the softbox. This is a Fresnel, just like with the X100. It's to boost the output. And these are 100 watts. So battery powered 100 watts, but they won't come out anytime soon because we are displaying them here to show to check if people are interested in the products itself. And if there's enough interest, we bring them out and release them. But currently they're just prototypes, and we're looking forward to the response from our customers.